Hi guys, it's Laree and welcome to this beginner sewer series. This is video 3 in the 4-part series, and today I am going to show you how to sew on the sewing machine. Welcome to my channel. My name is Laree and I am the owner of Sew Into It Lessons. I teach kids and adults how to sew. Today, we are tackling sewing on the sewing machine. We are going to learn how to operate the machine and how to control it. Again, your sewing machine is not smarter than you, and it does not have a life of its own. There are some practical steps that you can do to build your confidence on the machine and to control it. I hope you have your machine, your sewing supplies, and your scrap pieces of fabric, and let's get started. How to sew on the sewing machine. First, the feed dogs in our machine, they have one job: to pull your fabric through the sewing machine. The sewing machine will do the work of moving the fabric. There is no need to pull your fabric or to push it. I will demonstrate that in just a moment. Also, when we're sewing on the machine, we want to use light fingers. This hand is generally used to steer your fabric in the direction that you want it to go, and this hand is generally used to stabilize. And we want to hold our fabric lightly because the machine is going to do the work. Lastly, you control the sewing machine through the foot pedal. The harder you press on the pedal, the faster your machine will go. If you press on your pedal easy and lightly, your sewing machine will sew slowly and smoothly. So remember, again, you control the sewing machine. And when you want the sewing machine to stop, just take your foot off the pedal. I'm going to show you how the sewing machine sews on its own. Remember this? Without the assistance of my hands, the sewing machine will take the fabric at the right pace. If you want to steer the fabric, use your right hand to do that. And to keep your fabric neat and in place and smooth and straight, use your left hand to gently do that. Use light fingers. For this next section, draw some straight lines on your fabric. So these lines are meant for you to practice sewing in a straight line and keeping your eye on a target. We're going to do a back stitch at the beginning and a back stitch at the end using a reverse stitch at the beginning and a reverse stitch at the end. Here we go. We're going to ease on our pedal, begin sewing, back stitch, and continue down on the blue line. Once you get to the end, back stitch again and take your foot off the pedal. Now, sewing and holding the reverse button at the same time will be something that you will get used to in time. Now lift your presser foot, use the hand wheel to lift your needle and pull your fabric out. If it feels like the thread is a little stuck, just take the hand wheel and turn it slightly toward yourself or away until those threads release and you can easily pull them out. Always remember to keep your threads hanging off of the side of the sewing machine long enough so that they do not go back into the machine and unthread your needle. Because when the take-up lever begins to move, it will pull your thread back. Let's try the next one. Was that helpful? Did that help you? Did that help calm some of your anxiety and calm some of your fears? Are you feeling more confident on your machine? If so, let me know down in the comments. If this video was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Guys, we are in 3 videos in our beginner sewing series. So there's one more video coming out. Be sure to subscribe, hit the bell so that you do not miss out on this next video. Also, to find out more about my sewing lessons or my sewing supplies, go ahead and see the description box below. Guys, I hope to sew with you soon, and I'll see you next week. Bye.